3, 2, 1. Hello, Beasties! And welcome to the kitchen. You'd be like, Melissa, what the heck are you doing in the kitchen today? What are you doing in the kitchen with scissors in your hands? Well, I have scissors in my hands because we have something really cool going on today. I'm so excited! I have been waiting for this day for a long time. So you can see I have a ginormous, this is why we're in the kitchen, because this box will not fit in the studio. Not one bit. It doesn't even fit on camera. Maybe. Okay, we can just fit it on camera. Any guesses to what's in here? Well, if you actually read the title of the video, you know exactly what's in here. But still, I am so psyched. So, this ginormous box that we are going to do today, we ordered a lightsaber. Yay! Okay. And why did we order a lightsaber? Because May the 4th is coming. And maybe that's all I'll tell you about it. But it's going to be awesome. I swear to you, it is going to be so amazing. What's coming on May the 4th? And shh, that's it. That's all you know. There's something coming on May the 4th. So, it involves lightsabers. Let's see here. How do they have this? So this is a giant box. I was a little concerned, like, how are they going to do this? Yes, it's from Amazon. So we got packing. That's my favorite part of unboxing videos. And for all of that and all of this giant box, I'm going to stick my hand in here and pull out. Ta-da! That kind of felt like Mary Poppins that I hit the ceiling. Shh, don't tell Mom. Okay, so ginormous box, smaller box. Like this one actually fits on camera, kind of, sort of. All right, so here we go. Get rid of that box. We have here a Kyber basic series. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. So it is shrink wrapped. Let's unshrink wrap it here. I did bring scissors. I can use scissors without a table. Okay, that's good enough. I think it's good enough. They have nails for this sort of thing, right? Let's get the plastic off, not drop it. So I don't know, like for all this, in that giant box, with just this as packaging, come on, Amazon. Ugh. Okay, so we have the Kyber Basic series here. Let's pull it off, and whew. Okay. Well, this makes me a little more confident because inside there it is wrapped in foam. So that is good. Let's do step 2 here. I don't know how to get this out, except we'll maybe flip it upside down. And not droppy thing. Still droppy something. Okay. Instructions! Yes. I need another hand. Okay, so there's the box. Spectacular. We have, oh come on, this is awesome to see a lightsaber user manual. Oh yeah. Okay, so what the heck did we drop? We dropped power cords. Because I don't just get any old lightsaber. Okay, charging cord. That's very important. Even though it's a Kyber sword, I mean, you can't afford Kyber crystals in this day and age, right? Okay, so this is actually a foam tube. Alrighty. And let's see. I don't know. Okay, so we have some kind of wrap here. I think it gives you like a leather wrap to put on the hilt. And that is a fun sound. All right. Okay, so foam to the side. I'm gonna have such a mess to clean up, that's okay. Alrighty now. I know it is supposed to be pre-charged, so like do we just hit the button or do we check the owner's manual? What do you think? Should we just hit the button and see if anything happens? Let's take the plastic off of it first. Let's see, plastic tape. Really, really sticky plastic tape. Make sure this thing is stable because when I say I'm going to be swinging it, I mean I'm going to be on the grass so that it has someplace soft to land. And I will be wearing, I'm glad my glasses are the size of safety glasses. I can say that from previous times when I practiced with like wood I would probably have been in the ER and been missing an eyeball if I didn't wear glasses like this. I totally understand. So my whole life, we kind of made fun of my dad because he wears really, really big lens glasses. But he works in a machine shop. He owns a machine shop. And when you are on these kinds of machines and laser mills and all of that, there's chips flying all over the place, and he didn't want to wear safety goggles. So he wears giant ass glasses instead. Now I understand. And now I wear giant ass glasses too. So, okay, we got the tape off. Should we try it? Let's see. Let's see. They say to press and hold for 3 seconds because I read the description on Amazon. 1, 2, 3. It's making weird sounds. Okay, we got sounds. I want. Ha-ha! We have light! Yes! That was the face you were waiting for, right? Right, Beasties, that is the face. Okay, so this is very loud. And we have lots of sound effects that as you move it. And I do not have enough room here to do cool movements that I do kind of know how to do. I do not have the room for this. I'm going to hit the ceiling, I'm going to hit the stove. But it is kind of fun. And just light trails are always fun. Okay, so that's one color. Let's see, how do we do this? How do we do this? What happens if we hit the button again? Okay, that's kind of light intensity a little bit. Oh, it flashes. I could just look at the owner's manual. You gotta hold it on for a while. Okay, that turns it off. How do we change the color? Because I thought I got the color changing one. I know I got the color changing one. How do we do this? You charge it right here. So, on the handle here, we have one button and one charging port. So that's fine. We have a speaker at the bottom. I know no one wants to see that, but it's true. And I mean, this is a pretty good size. So we'll see if I'll be able to throw and catch it or not. But let's see, how do we get it to change colors? I will now go here, okay. Open the package and check the accessories. What was I supposed to do? Fix the blade, loosen the top screw with the attached tool, and fix the blade. Oh, this is if it came, apparently some people get it, and it's not put together yet, but we don't have that. So, product advantages. LED light with 3 levels of brightness and 6 light efficiency modes. 11 colors to choose from, and switch on the go. Great, and we can link 2 of them together, but I wanted to see how one came out before I bought a second one. And my God, that would be a lot to swing around. To have 2 like this, 2 of these suckers put together, that's a lot. That is definitely chopping off a head right there. Okay, to turn on, to turn off, we did that. To change the light mode. Short press after turning on, or 1 vibration. Several modes available. Saber lock on off. Oh, cool. If it vibrates twice, it is, and then release, it'll stay on. So you don't have to worry about accidentally turning it off as you're fighting. I mean, that's always handy. Change the blade color. Let's see how this works. Press and hold the power button until the saber vibrates 3 times. Then release to see the color change. Lower, raise volume, don't care. Okay, so let's try this again. Wait. Three things, right? Press and hold, vibrates 3 times, then release. Okay. So. That came on a lot easier that time. Great. Okay. It is a little loud for my taste. Like, I don't know if that needs to hum all the time. But let's go for hold. 1, 2, 3. No? No change.
3 vibrations.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's purple! We have a new color. Excellent. Purple. What do we got next? 1, 2, 3. Green! I don't know what color I actually wanted. And with all of the choices, it's like, I just need to get the one that's all the colors then. And 1, 2, 3. White? Light blue? Is that supposed to be light blue or white? I'm not really sure. It's kind of boring. All right, what's next? 1, 2, 3. Back to purple. 1, 2, 3. That's supposed to be red. That's kind of pathetic. One, 2, 3. Oh, there's a red saber. That's fun. The fact that it makes sound effects is fun. I'm trying so hard not to hit anything here. So, we are going to have fun, Beasties. So, you'll see this guy again on May the 4th. And that's all I'm going to say about it. Oh, if you like this... Okay, so you will see this baby again on May the 4th. If you would like one of your own, I will link it down below in the description. While you're there, tell me what color lightsaber you would get if you were getting a lightsaber. Or if you have a lightsaber, what color do you have? And then finally, while you're there, go ahead, like this video if you enjoy these kinds of crazy unboxings that we do, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more badass action, because I promise it's coming. Alright, that's it, Beastie.